A Massachusetts judge has left court in tears after being indicted on obstruction of justice charges for allegedly helping an illegal immigrant evade immigration officials. Judge Shelley M. Richmond Joseph and trial court officer Wesley McGregor are accused of conspiring to prevent Immigration and Customs Enforcement, ICE, from taking an undocumented immigrant into custody at Newton District Court on April 2, 2018. Joseph had allegedly ordered the courtroom recording device to be turned off for 52 seconds while she and the defendant Jose Medina Perez's lawyer had a conversation about getting him out of the courthouse instead of handing him over to an ICE officer, according to the indictment. McGregor allegedly used his access badge to release Medina Perez through a rear door. Joseph was seen crying when she left federal court in Boston Thursday. According to CBS, Joseph's attorney Tom Hoops said outside court, "This prosecution is absolutely political. Shelley Joseph is absolutely innocent." The American Civil Liberties Union also released a statement alleging the charges were the result of President Donald Trump's anti-immigrant agenda. Massachusetts Attorney General Maura Healey deemed that the prosecution was a radical and politically motivated attack on our state and the independence of our courts. Medina Perez, who had been deported on 2 prior occasions, was arrested 4 days earlier for drug possession and being a fugitive from justice in Pennsylvania. Medina Perez remains at large. ICE became aware of his arrest after his fingerprints were processed and an order was issued for a federal immigration detainer. ICE issued a statement following Joseph's indictment. Todd M. Lyons, acting field office director of ICE's enforcement and removal operations in Boston, said, "The actions of the judge in this incident are a detriment to the rule of law and highly offensive to the law enforcement officers of ICE who swear an oath to uphold our nation's immigration laws. In order for our criminal justice system to work fairly for all people, it must be protected against judicial officials who would seek to replace the implementation of our laws with their own ideological views or politically driven agenda." I would also like to thank U.S. Attorney Lelling for his local leadership and his continuous and faithful support of the ERO law enforcement mission.
Thank you for watching Memagma TV.